Right under it, right?
Yep.
Got it, bud. Good job. Shoot it again.
Little Marine sniper over there.
It's actually crazy that they know how to shoot them that young, though.
Probably from Xbox.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Don't put your finger into the trigger till you're ready to shoot.
You got it.
Just aim for that.
What?
I was just aiming for that one.
Good. You got it.
Go with the one on the wood.
You see the one on the, yeah, hanging up?
That's what I'm trying to do.
Nailed it.
Nice.
Nothing left to shoot.
There you go. Let it rip.
Shoot it up. Awesome.
Minute 25.
Good job.